नमस्कार, वेलकम टू चाय चैट विद लवीना। आज का चाय चैट है ऑक्सफोर्ड सर्कस के गेलॉर्ड रेस्टोरेंट में। 1966 से यहाँ ठेठ भारतीय खाना मिलता है, और क्यों ना हो, ये गेलॉर्ड भारत और क्वालिटी का ही ब्रांच है। और अब तो यहाँ पे आयुर्वेदिक डिटॉक्स से लेकर डी स्ट्रेस चाय भी मिलती है। तो हो जाए चाय चैट एक आयुर्वेदिक चाय में गेलॉर्ड्स लंदन ऑक्सफोर्ड सर्कस में।
I'm Meghnad Desai, Lord Desai.
My name is Avnish Goyal.
My name is Amit Agarwal.
दिवाली त्योहार भले ही एक दिन का हो, लेकिन यूके में ये महीने दो महीने चलता रहता है। यहाँ की फेवरेट नेशनल डिश करी कही जाती है, जो कि भारतीय फूड का एक और नाम है यहाँ यूके का। यहाँ बिलियनर्स की लिस्ट में सबसे पहला नाम एक भारतीय का आता है। यहाँ आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग भी है और हज़ारों इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स भी है, सनातन मंदिर भी है, इस्कॉन का टेम्पल भी है, हर तरह के मंदिर भी है यहाँ। और 2015 में कहा जाता है कि भारतीय वोट बहुत ही डिसाइसिव वोट रहेगा। तो क्या रही है ये भारतीय लोगों की जर्नी जो आज इतने इन्फ्लुएंशियल हो गए हैं यूके में? इसी पर हम बात कर रहे हैं आज चाय चैट में, और हमारा आज लंबा चौड़ा पैनल है। तो हमारे साथ यहाँ है लॉर्ड देसाई, इज द हेड फॉर getting the whole charity to work for the Gandhi statue that is going to be erected in the Parliament Square. So very important job at this point in time he's been given. Sameer Berry, very important man for us. All this pakoda chaat, whatever we are getting on this chai chat is thanks to Sameer from Gaylord Restaurant. On my Shashi Vekaria, who is the editor of Hindu Today. Of course, Mona Goyal looks after the PR of Gaylord Restaurant, which has been here from 1966. And Avnish Goyal, आप हॉलमार्क केयर होम्स चलाते हैं 44 साल से, if I'm right. हरी भाई हलाई, जो हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स में ले गए दिवाली को, he is also from the Hindu Society. On my right here again, on my left actually, Anita Goyal, she runs a charity. And on my Narendra Thakrar Sahab, he is a businessman but also runs Sanatan Mandir, the chair of Sanatan Mandir. Amit Agarwal, dentist by profession, and the other passion is art of living. And our two youth workers here, and the chef, who we call Sunny now. Thank you. Abhi, fantastic. I had food here, so I know it's fantastic. Welcome all of you to Chai Chat. Amazing बात ये रही कि सब लोगों के दो इंट्रोडक्शन है। So this is how much we Indians are working. सबसे पहले हरी भाई आपसे बात करते हैं, आपने दिवाली को हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स तक कैसे पहुंचाया?
देखो, दिवाली हाउस ऑफ कॉमन में पहुंची, उससे पहले दिवाली कोई लोग ही जानते थे। तो एक विचार आया कि जहाँ पे पावर है वहीं पे हमारी दिवाली जो अगर जाए तो उसका प्रचार जो है वो अच्छी तरह से होगा। तो इस विचार से 13 साल पहले हमने कीथ वास की हेल्प से ये दिवाली हाउस ऑफ कॉमन में शुरू की।
लेकिन पल आपने मुझे बताया था कि काफ़ी मुश्किलों से आपने उसे यहाँ तक पहुँचाया।
मुश्किलें तो बहुत थी, क्योंकि पॉलिटिकल कनेक्शन भी बनाने होते थे, और उस वक्त हमारा जो पॉलिटिक्स में कोई कनेक्शन था तो एक कीथवास था, फिर कोई एक दो आए, किसी को सहमे भी लेना पड़ा। और जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, जो एक लेबर पार्टी से हम कनेक्शन नहीं रखते, जितनी मेन स्ट्रीम पार्टी है उनके साथ संबंध बना के फिर हमने सभी को जोड़ के ये दिवाली की है।
टेल मी शशि जी, माइक, शशि जी बताएं कि आपने तो यहाँ बहुत कुछ कवर किया है, तो ये जो सफ़र हम लोग भारतीय का था, ये कैसे यहाँ तक पहुँच पाया और किन मुसीबतों का आपको लगता है कि लोगों ने सामना किया है?
जैसे हरी भाई ने बताया, इसी तरह ये हिंदू फोरम ऑफ ब्रिटेन चालू हुआ। एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही एक्सप्लेन्स, मुश्किलें तो थी, लेकिन सबका साथ लेके एक मंच पे सबको एक ही जगह में सब साथ में करते थे। वो हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट में उधर ही हो सकता था, बाकी सब कोई भी जगह पे अलग अलग करे अलग अलग पार्टी वाले, वो भी होता रहा। लेकिन अभी जैसे अवेयरनेस आते गए तो अभी सब साथ मिलके सबको एक साथ रख के दिवाली जैसे सेलिब्रेशन होते तो लगता है कि अभी इतनी मुश्किलें नहीं है, लेकिन सबका सपोर्ट और कितने भी जैसे आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग harmony foundations, everybody is just supporting and things are moving ahead as it is. As from Hindu today we've been publishing old article about the Hindu awareness.
थैंक यू। समीर, हाउ डिड यू गेट टू हियर? कैसे वो जर्नी क्या रही?
वो जर्नी ये रही, पहले तो लोग थे कि बहुत एक ओकेजन होता कि इंडियन फूड खाने जा रहे हैं 1966-70, जो मैंने सुनता आया हूँ, 76 की बात है। और फिर इवॉल्व हुए, शशि साहब ने रेस्टोरेंट गेलोट बनाया, तो वो लोग बताते थे कि यहाँ रेस्टोरेंट भरा रहता था और लोगों को इंडियन फूड का बड़ा पैशन था और दिवाली वगैरह भी मनाई जाती थी। पर पिछले जो 10-12 साल में जो इवॉल्वमेंट हुई है, इट हैज़ बीन फिनोमिनल। जो रेस्टोरेंट सीन एकदम से उभर के आया है।
So tell me how has this journey been for you as an Indian businessman?
44 years ago, when I first came here, people didn't understand Indians and our culture and our traditions, whereas now it's becoming mainstream. So if you look at the things that we're doing, like Diwali at Trafalgar Square and the function that we were joint sponsors with House of Commons, we are now making our mark. We are now being counted for the contribution that we're making economically, financially, and both into the culture of the UK. So I think things have changed dramatically.
Sir, आपको क्या मुसीबतें आपके सनातन मंदिर को एस्टैब्लिश करने में किस तरह की आपने मुसीबतें फेस करी और आज क्या रिस्पॉन्स है?
Yes, Sanatan Mandir is located in a prime position. It's in the center of Wembley on Ealing Road, and where most of the Indian population is. So the land was acquired in about 20 years back, and it took about 14 years to build it. It's built of sandstone, which has come from Rajasthan and been hand carved in Ahmedabad, and about 340 containers were exported within those 14 years to complete the project, and there's not one piece of metal used to build the temple. It's like manufactured in India and assembled in UK.
Definitely. What response do you get?
Very good. It's increasing.
From when you built to now?
Yeah, it's increasing day by day. For example, we just had a Diwali and a New Year. In those 2 days, we had about 18 to 20,000 visitors coming and going, just paying respect to the temple. And on New Year's Day, we had uncut arrangements. And we were amazed this time. Normally, last year we had about 15,000 people. This year we had 18 to 20,000.
And it's increasing.
People. It's increasing day by day.
Amit, being a dentist, what made you get Art of Living here?
Art of Living basically holds workshops throughout the world that help you manage stresses of life, pressures, and make you contribute to society, which really gives you fulfillment, contentment. And I think that's the passion.
No, but why would you get it here? I mean, what sort of influence or attraction, why did you think कि यहाँ ये successful होगा?
In London? Well, I live in London, and the UK has offered a lot to me. It's where I've lived. I was born and brought up in Kenya, but I got my career here, and it's provided a lot to me. So it's a way of giving back to the society, really. And we work at all levels of society. So it's really great to be able to engage with our community and to contribute to them.
Okay, fantastic. Lord Desai, now I want to ask you, कि आप हमने सबकी बातें सुनी कि कैसे किसकी जर्नी रही. Now tell me how you have been here for ages and you have taught here, not to say you're old at all. कि हमने ये massive journey कहाँ से करी? I don't think we ever thought that we're going to come this far from where we started.
You see,
Indians have always traveled. You see, in the last century, in 19th century, the poorer people from UP, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, they went to Africa, they went to Caribbean, they went to Malaysia. Merchants went with them. See, Gandhiji went to South Africa because there was a population of Indians there, laborers, there were traders, and then he went to settle a dispute between traders. So Indians have always been going abroad. What really happened was Indians did not go to what we may call rich countries until recently. And India and UK and United States are the two countries where Indians have made a big impact. Partly because English language. We ultimately feel more at home in English language. And then I think the society here, of course there are a lot of prejudiced people. But if you abide by the law and if you don't get into trouble, then the society will give you a lot of opportunities if you're willing to work hard. You work hard and then the society will give you opportunities. Obviously, some of the people who came from East Africa also faced difficulties. Banks would not give them loans because banks were not aware. But they cooperated among themselves, they gave money to each other, they saved, they suffered, they built up businesses. But once they built up businesses, the society acknowledged their contribution. So I think it's a give and take situation.
Anyone else felt discriminated?
I should say, I had a job. I already had a job.
Yeah, I mean, I'd like to say, I think there was a lot of discrimination. I think there always will be. But I think as maybe younger generation to Haribhai a little bit, I think we just worked harder to overcome that. I think that's why Hindus and Indians have been very successful in the UK, because we've worked much, much harder and therefore succeeded. And rather than constantly playing the race card, we've decided we're going to become successful at any cost.
Do you feel that, kids? Do you feel today that the society discriminates?
No, not so much anymore.
No.
I haven't.
You?
No.
No, you don't.
I think
so it's good. We have got over that and made ourselves come to the situation where people, because we are so influential, we can't be discriminated against. Is that right to say? Have we? You want to say something very quickly?
I was actually born in East London, and I've been very fortunate enough to be right from the beginning educated in the UK and in London, and I became a teacher, and I've been teaching for 20 years, and I've taught in some quite challenging schools in East London and Essex, and at no point during my career of teaching as a science teacher did I ever feel that I was discriminated against. In fact, I've always been encouraged to move on and to inspire other young women, especially from the ethnic minority.
Thank you. On that note, thank you very much. I'll do the last voting, which I always vote. Do you think that we have overcome the discrimination and we are not discriminated against anymore? Whoever thinks we are not discriminated, please raise your hand. If you're not sure, Amit, down.
I never want to admit that. I never want to admit that. I may not be discriminated against, but I have to worry about somebody being discriminated against. I'm a Labour Party member. I always want to fight discrimination.
Yeah, so we had Amit. How many people were had? Huh?
There's another level to get to.
We have another level to get to. Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much. I think we have established कि भारतीय बहुत लंबा सफ़र तय करके यहाँ आज ऐसे मकाम पर पहुँचे हैं जहाँ उनके अगेंस्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन तो नहीं है, लेकिन अब एक दूसरे मकाम और पैगाम पर अपने आप को ले जाना है. क्या है वो लेवल और कितना है हमारा इन्फ्लुएंस, ये हम इस पर चर्चा करेंगे अपने चाय चाट के अगले सेगमेंट में. स्टे विद अस.